have arrived in Manaus in the Amazon. I can't believe it, this is like a childhood dream come true. We're staying at a place called the Tropical Hotel. Look at that hall, it goes on for bloody miles. Everything's like really old and colonial and dark wood. These corridors literally go on for miles and miles and miles. As far as you can see that way, turn around, as far as you can see that way. We're all a bit tired after 5 hours of flying today to get here from Vitoria. That's how massive Brazil is, it's like flying across Europe. We're going on a bit of a day trip today. It's something I'm really looking forward to. We're going to take a trip into the Amazon rainforest on a boat, up the river, up the Rio Negro. We're going to go and visit a tribe. I think that's one of our boats we're going on over there. Look at the colour of the water, it's like tea. It's like a dark red colour. Qual o seu nome? Fortunato. 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 We've got our own private boat. Okay, so the story is we've stopped here on the riverbank, 28 kilometers north of Manaus. We've come here because there's an Indian village. I think you need to be really respectful when you come on trips like this and you come and visit indigenous communities. But yeah, it'll be interesting. Looking forward to meeting them.
Beleza, chefe? Domingos. Nessa área de preservation área aqui. Área de preservation área. Tu, pé. Pode ir. Wife.
The wife of Domingos.
Chefe, Domingos. Domingos,
Hey! Oh. Hello. Oh. Looks like a tiger.
Colouring.
So we've come into the main hut here in the Indian village. And they're going to do like a presentation for us. We're all sitting down inside the hut. These guys behind are all laughing at everyone. Okay, this necklace is made of crocodile teeth. Look at that. Hey, here's one of the tribe's dogs. Hey, hello. Hello, pal. What's your name?
Brazil nut fruit.
Brazil nut fruit. So inside there has the nut.
Open, yes.
I want inside.
So that's the inside of the Brazil nut, and I'm going to try and eat it. See what it tastes like. That's amazing.
Thank you. That is totally amazing.
Tastes like the nut, but it's moist. Okay, the local shaman is going to do like a treatment on us. Be interesting.
Aí passa até aqui, concentra bem, coloca o pensamento positivo e concentra. E coloca o pensamento positivo, aquilo que tu pensa aqui para o seu nome? Shaun. Shaun. Vamos lá, concentra, vamos lá.
All the kids love my fishing hook tattoo. The shaman did a ritual on us. He basically said to us to think of one good thing. We're going back on the boat now. Here's down. Come all the way back onto the boat.